Hello. Plane. What now? Airport. I don't know. Plane. It's plane. Let me jump in. Come on. You guys are going now? Let me check. Ah, here. This is the right place. Now they're teleporting. Okay. 22 more seconds. And I get out. Do you guys wonder why I haven't been playing? Been recording? It's because the game. I'm doing many tasks and I have not had time to play or record anything. Right now, till next month. Okay. Okay. Airplane. Fun, you know. Okay. What is this? H5. I'm new to this game, so I don't know. Ah, here it is. I'm H5. Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 1783. We're currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay. Hey, I can't get into the restaurant. Wow. It's very fun. Now, please find your seat, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Oh my! Oh my! The turbulence is high. Jeez. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay.
You know how frustrating it can be when you experience a slow or inconsistent game connection.
Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Oh, that's amazing. I'm waiting. Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering. Oh my goodness! This is yummy. Yummy.
However, there is a solution. What the Fast is a gamer's private network built exclusively. Fast gives your game data a VIP connection to the internet that eliminates detours.
They're working very smoothly. Look at that. That's cute. Pretty much this game was very good. I mean, this game is very good.
What the Fast gives you a real-time connection speed report. Works with over 1,000 online games and improves over time to make sure you always have the best game connection and performance. To start using What the Fast, just download, install, and launch. Use What the Fast.
I found it. Okay, we have found it. With 360 feet. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh, God. Good afternoon to our have reached and able us. What? Someone laughed. That's boring. What?
Just when you play an online game, your data travels across a large public data highway.
Oh, it's nighttime. It is nighttime now. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have to go.
What the Fast is a gamer's private network built exclusively for gamers.
Let me turn this off. Okay. Oh, it appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Okay. Guys, look. What is on the right wing? What? Let me check. Oh my goodness, that's scary, that's scary. Are those snakes? They can't get out. You dumbos can't get us. No? Snakes are weak. Huh. A frequent passenger. Okay. Guys, open restroom quickly. We'll be right down. Okay, I'm in. Lavatory? What? Okay. Oh, it's time for me to poop. I don't know how to shit on this toilet. But I think we will be fine on doing the hype dance. Yes, hype, I am hype. Look, that's what's scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Get me out of here. I have my card. It's H5. Let me get out of here. Come on. I'm spinning. Hi. Okay. There's only 3 people left. Come on. Power back up. That's up. Wait, that's red. What? Where's mine? Ring is also gone. Passengers, I have good news and bad news. The good news is the backup. What else? The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. We'll drop. Oh. Very lucky that I'm not going to die. Wait, okay guys. Wait, what are we going to do? Where's the bomb? Oh. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Ha! That's very easy. Okay, what should I cut? I will cut the bird cable. Don't die, my friend. Please. Oh no, he died. He died. Wait, that isn't a boy. That's girl. Well, I'm going to reset to 5. Actually, I can reset. Okay. Wow, that's scary. It's time to. This will be good. Okay, height 13. 13. Wait, I have to be back here. Wait. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Okay. Wow. That number is big. We're going. Wow. Let's keep name. And I don't care about that, but who cares? Okay, well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and like the video if you guys did enjoy, and bye.